before we want to start cooking, we want to prepare. But before that, we have to wash our hands. So don't forget to rinse your hands under some warm water with some soap. And once we've done that, we want to prepare before we start cooking the beef. So we grab the buns and prepare that. You should dice the onions so it's nice and small like this. Grab the pickles, slice them, and slice your tasty cheese, whether you got a block. So slice that. And then before we start cooking, just make sure you've got everything ready before we start to cook. Once you finish that, you want to start cooking your beef. But before that, we want to grab the beef and mix it with an egg. The egg will help us with getting some essential nutrients and some more protein. Make sure you don't make a mess, and make sure you don't cross-contaminate with the vegetables and the meat. Now you can start recording. Finish mixing the egg with the meat. You want to put them into burger patties in this shape, like a circular shape. Depending on how many burgers you want, you can make more or less. But because I'm making 3 different burgers, I'm making 3 different patties. Done that, you want to make sure your stove is a little bit hot and warm it up. And then get ready to cook. Don't forget to put a drizzle of olive oil before you start cooking. And then once it's hot enough, you can start putting your beef onto the pan. Burger is starting to look like this. Don't forget to season it with salt and pepper if you'd like. And pepper. So once you've seasoned it, then also don't forget to put your slice of tasty cheese on it. Let it melt for a little bit, and once it's melted a little bit, then you can get ready to put it on your burger bun. Once you have your cheese and your burger on the bun, because you're finished cooking, then you can start to add the onion. You can also start to add the pickles. And once you've added what you've liked, like the pickles and the onion, you can get ready to put the burger bun on top. And there you have yourself a McDonald's burger that is much healthier and arguably more tastier.